Hello, ladies and gentlemen, thanks a lot for joining me and welcome to my channel once again. My name is Cherry Mark. I am your teacher for Kikuyu. I'm the one teaching you Kikuyu basics, and here is where we learn how to speak and pronounce some Kikuyu words. Remember, we are just doing the basics. So welcome again and thanks so much for joining me in this lesson. Today, as you can see right from the headline, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself and of course how to introduce you in Kikuyu. Now, we have some Q&As and these are questions and answers that we are going to learn in Kikuyu, how to ask and even how to answer that. So take your cup of coffee, take your cup of tea, prepare yourself, and we are going to kick right away from the first question. Remember, this is just basically how you meet someone, how you introduce yourself to someone just after meeting that new person. Or let's say, for example, I meet you on the street and remember, we don't know each other. So how do we introduce ourselves? How do I start? How do I start the communication with a stranger or with a strange person? Now, the first question basically that comes from you automatically is, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Now, if you want to answer that question, you say, okay, what is your name? How do you ask in Kikuyu? Wetagwo atia. Wetagwo atia. Wetagwo atia. What is your name? Wetagwo atia. What is your name? Wetagwo atia. Wetagwo atia. Wetagwo atia. Now, if I want to answer that, I say, Jetagwo Jerry. Jetagwo. Jetagwo. Jetagwo Jerry. Remember, Jerry is a Kikuyu name, very common in the Kikuyu tribe, and that's why I just used the name. Now, I'm Jerry. Jetagwo Jerry. I'm Jerry. Or you can answer that in another style and say, my name is Jerry. My name is Jerry. Now, the next question that comes along this conversation is, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Okay, first of all, if you want to ask that in Kikuyu, you'll say, wena miaka eigana. Wena miaka eigana. Wena miaka eigana. Wena miaka eigana. Remember, that's a question that comes along. Wena miaka eigana. Wena miaka eigana. If you want to answer that, you say, I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Dina miaka mirongo iri. 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 I am 20 years old. Now, again, you ask that person, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? I come from Kenya. I come from Kenya. No, I'm very quick, sorry. Now, if you want to ask, you say, umeteko. 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 Where do you come from? Let's say you want to ask which country. Umete forori oriko. Forori is country. That's country. Umete forori oriko. Umete forori oriko. Now, I'm just going to answer this. And I'm going to answer basically and say, I come from Kenya. I come from Kenya. Nyumete Kenya. Nyumete Kenya. You can even say Nyumete forori wa Kenya. I come from a country called Kenya. Nyumete forori wa Kenya. Nyumete forori wa Kenya. Nyumete forori wa Kenya. Or you can say Nyumete Kenya, just to cut it very short. Nyumete Kenya. You don't have to say forori wa, which we said is country. You can even say I come from USA. I come from Europe. Nyumete forori wa Europe. Or Nyumete forori wa USA. Or you can say, I come from Australia. Nyumete forori wa Australia. Now, the next question that comes along is, are you married? Are you married? Or are you single? Are you married or are you single? Are you married or are you single? We mohiku. We mohiku. Or if you want to say, are you single? We wiki. We wiki. We mohiku. Mohiku. kana, you can say we wiki. We wiki. We wiki is, are you single? Are you single? Mohiku, married. Are you married? Are you married or single? Are you married or single? We mohiku kana we wiki. We mohiku kana, which means or single. We mohiku kana we wiki. Now, the other question that comes along in this conversation is automatically, do you have kids? Do you have kids? Let's say somebody says he or she is married. So automatically the next question is, do you have kids? Which is wena shiana. Wena shiana. Wena shiana. Do you have kids? Do you have kids? You can say, yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, let's put this here. Yes, I have 2 kids. E dena shiana igere. E dena shiana igere. E dena shiana igere. E dena shiana igere. Now, maybe you ask and somebody says, no, I don't have kids. Asha dire na shiana. Asha dire na shiana. Asha is no. Dire, I don't have. Shiana is kids. Asha dire na shiana. Or, yes, I have 2 kids. E dena shiana igere. E dena shiana igere. Now, I want to go back and answer this question that we had, which we said was, are you married? We mohiku. Now, let's say somebody says, yes, I am married. Yes, I am proudly married. I'm not going to say proudly. Yes, I am married. E de mohiku. E de mohiku. E de mohiku. Or let's say somebody says, no, I'm not married. Asha dire mohiku. Asha dire mohiku. No, I'm not married. Asha dire mohiku. Asha dire mohiku. No, I'm not married. Now, the next question that comes along is, for example, do you stay alone? Do you stay alone? Do You stay alone. Yes, I stay with my wife. No, oh, sorry. Yes, I stay alone. E jikara ji ka ra ga de wiki. E jikara ga de wiki. Yes, I stay alone. Now, I forgot to tell you how do you ask if do you stay alone. Do you stay alone? This is how you ask. Woikara ga wika. Woi ka ra ga wika. Do you stay alone? Woikara ga wika. Asha, no, sorry. E jikara ga de wiki. Yes, I stay alone. E, that means me. Yes, I stay alone. Or you can answer that and say, no, I stay with my parents. No, I stay with my parents. Or you can say wife or husband. Now you can say Asha jikara ga na aciari akwa. 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 No, I stay with my parents. You can say, for example, I stay with my wife. Asha jikara ga na mutumia wakwa. Mutumia, which is wife or husband. Moduri, moduri. No, I stay with my wife. Asha jikara ga na mutumia wakwa. Motumia is the wife. Wakwa is the position. Motumia wakwa, or I stay with my husband. Jikara ga na moduri. Moduri, husband. Wakwa, my own possession. Moduri wakwa. Now, the next question that comes along is, do you work? Do you work? Now, this is how we say it. Niorutaga wera. Niorutaga wera. Ni oru taga wera. Niorutaga wera. Do you work? Niorutaga wera. Niorutaga wera. You can say, yes, I work in, let's say you can, for example, yes, I work in a school. Yes, I work in a school. E Ndutaga wĩra cukuru. Ndutaga wĩra shukuru. Ndutaga wĩra shukuru. Yes, I work in a school. Or you can say maybe you are still hustling or you're still a hustler, whatever you call it. You can say no. No ndĩracaria wĩra. You can say no, I don't work. I'm still looking for work. Or I'm still hunting for a job. Asha no wĩra ndĩracaria. No, I'm looking for a job. Asha no wĩra ndĩracaria. No, I'm looking for a job. No, I'm looking for a job. Now, the next question that comes along in this conversation, we are still getting to know each other. It's going really well, and there are still more questions that are coming along. And the other thing is, what do you like to do? Or what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Niki wendete gwĩka. Niki wendete gwĩka. Niki wendete gwĩka. What do you like to do? Or what are your hobbies? You can say, I love football, or I play football, or I swim. You can say, I like, let's use the word football. I like football. Nyendete mufira. I like football. Nyendete mufira. Nyendete mufira. You can say, I like swimming. Nyendete gwĩtubĩra. Nyendete gwĩtubĩra. Gwĩtubĩra is swimming or to swim. I like swimming. Nyendete gwĩtubĩra. Now, as you go along with the conversation, you still want to know that particular person and you want to ask, where do you go to school? Or where do you go to study? Or which college do you go? Now, let's use the word school. Where do you go to school? Ũthiaga cukuru kũ? Ũthiaga cukuru kũ? Ũthiaga cukuru kũ? Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Odhiaga shukuru ko. You can even say Odhiaga shukuru ereko. Odhiaga shukuru ereko. Which school? Ereko. Which school? Ereko. Shukuru is school. Ko is where. Odhiaga, where do you go? Odhiaga shukuru ko. Now you can answer that and say, I go to school in Nairobi. I go to school in Nairobi. Dhiaga shukuru Nairobi. Rofi. Dhiaga shukuru Nairobi. I go to school in Nairobi. Dhiaga shukuru Nairobi. Now, the next question that comes along is, what is your work? What is your work? Wera waku ni ũrĩkũ? What is your work? Or you can say, Orutaga wera ũrĩkũ? Orutaga wera ũrĩkũ? What is your work? Orutaga wera ũrĩkũ? You can say, I am a driver. I am a driver. Ndĩ ndereba. Ndĩ ndereba. What is your work? Orutaga wera ũrĩkũ? I am a driver. Ndĩ ndereba. Ndĩ ndereba. Or you can say, I am a teacher. Ndĩ mwarimũ. 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 Ndĩ mwarimũ. Teacher. I am a teacher. Ndĩ mwarimũ. Now, the next word or the next question that comes along is, for example, what? Okay, the next thing that we learn, or the next thing that comes along in this conversation. Remember, we have learned a lot about our person, the person we just met on the street. Now, let's say you are so impressed about that person or about the whole meeting up, and you tell somebody, or you just request that person, would you like to meet again? Would you like to meet again? Would you like to meet again? No wede tuonane rĩngĩ. No wede tuonane rĩngĩ. No wede tuonane rĩngĩ. No wede tuonane rege. You can say, yes, I would like to meet you again. Yes, I would like to meet you again. E no nyende tuonane rege. E no nyende tuonane rege. E no nyende tuonane rege. Yes, I would like to meet you again. And that brings us to the end of the conversation. And basically what you tell somebody after that, knowing each other, introducing yourself, is have a nice day. Have a nice day. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Which you can say, you can answer that to the next person and say, likewise, or same to you. Likewise, which we say is ona wetaguo. Ona wetaguo. Likewise, ona wetaguo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. It has been a really long video. I don't want to put so much stuff in your brain. I want to end this video just right here. Thanks for joining me. Keep tuning, and thanks for following up and progressing in your Kikuyu skills. Till next time, have a nice evening. Goodbye.